Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. So from the talk about the water conservation, we get a few questions to ask to each other. So for the first one, what is that, Fatimah?
So the first question is, what is the water conservation?
So from the talk, water conservation means we need to protect our water from being wasted and pollution, so that we can, such as we can do the proper utilization, and then the second one, avoiding the wastage. Yeah, that is what is the meaning. So the next one, why we should conserve the water.
We need to conserve the water to preserve our environment because it helps in deliver and also save the energy. It also helps to ensure that there is a adequate supply of water for our next generation. So, the third question, what is the example of the water resource?
Yeah. So the water resources water resources are sources that are usually fresh, and then that are useful. That include the groundwater, the first one, and then the rivers, lakes, and then the reservoirs from the water from the reservoirs. Yeah. So the next one. So what are the ways that we can do to conserve the water?
So from the top, there are a lot of ways, but I can list three, which are firstly, we need to turn off our tap. Secondly, boil water with the amount that you need. And lastly, we need to washing a clothes in a full machine. That's
That is the ways
the
we want
ways.
to conserve. So
So
I guess I want to ask you again. So what are the factors that are responsible for water scarcity that happened in our own country?
scarcity. So there are three factors that affect the scarcity in our country, which are growing population, growing number of factories, and also the deforestation.
Yeah.
So for the last question, Danisha, we can conclude that the speaker have stated that are important of the water conservation. So what is it?
The importance of the water conservation, actually it has a lot of importance, which is this is because we know that the fresh and clean water is a limited resources, so that we need to conserve as well as a costly one, because it is not cheap to get a clean water, because we need to undergo many process to that.
So that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.